You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing word. I know it's from medicine. If you want to learn more vocabulary from anatomy, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. It's more commonly pronounced in English. The more common pronunciation in English is as Onychomalacia. Alright, Onycho, CH is pronounced like a K. Onychomalacia. Alright, so you replace the CI at the end with a CH or SH. Onychomalacia. Now, it can also be pronounced as Onychomalacia, which is also said. Onychomalacia is less common. More commonly, Onychomalacia or Onychomalacia. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.